Impact of the Ariyanam mantra on life. Meaning, influence and inner experience, mental clarity. The vibrations of the Ariyanam mantra calm the restless mind. Thoughts slow down, awareness deepens, and clarity begins to shine from within. Spiritual awakening. This mantra is not just sound, it is a path. It awakens the soul, helping us realize the deeper question, who am I? It invites us to experience truth, not just seek it. Energy alignment. Chanting the mantra balances the inner energy centers, the chakras. It purifies the subtle body and brings harmony to our aura and presence. Karmic purification and life transformation. With consistent practice, the mantra dissolves old karmic patterns. It creates space for new beginnings, bringing positive shifts in destiny. Peaceful living and divine protection. Where the Ariyanam mantra echoes, fear disappears. It builds a shield of spiritual strength around you, filling your life with divine presence and grace. Focus and willpower. Whether you are a student, a seeker, or someone on a mission, this mantra strengthens your concentration and aligns you with your highest intention. The Ariyanam mantra brings mental clarity. Vibrational effect on the mind. The sound vibrations created by chanting Ariyanam directly influence brain waves, especially alpha and theta waves, which are associated with relaxation and deep focus. This shift helps reduce overthinking and clears mental clutter. Single-pointed focus. When you chant a mantra, your mind centers on a single sound. This removes distractions and helps you develop inner stillness, allowing thoughts to become organized and purposeful, like wiping dust off a mirror. Cleansing of the subconscious mind. Regular chanting purifies deep-rooted impressions, called sanskaras. As negative patterns dissolve, mental fog lifts and you begin to see life situations more clearly and truthfully. Breath and mind connection. Chanting naturally regulates the breath, calming the nervous system. A calm breath leads to a calm mind, and a calm mind becomes sharp, steady, and clear. Awakening inner intelligence. The Ariyanam mantra acts like a seed of awareness, activating a deeper intelligence within. As this awareness grows, you gain clarity not just in thought, but in intuition, decision-making, and emotional understanding. Experience it. Sit in a quiet place, close your eyes. Chant Ariyanam softly or in your mind 108 times or for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't just say it, feel its vibration inside you. Be consistent. Within days, you'll notice improved focus, calmness, and clearer thinking. The Ariyanam mantra leads to spiritual awakening. It silences the ego mind. The ego thrives in noise, the constant chatter of I, me, mine. But when you chant Ariyanam, its sound begins to dissolve that mental noise. In this silence, you meet your true self, not your story, but your soul. When the mind stops, the soul speaks. It raises your inner frequency. Every mantra has a vibration. Ariyanam carries a high vibrational code that slowly lifts your consciousness from lower emotions, like fear, anger, or confusion, to higher states like peace, love, and awareness. It activates the heart space. Spiritual awakening isn't just in the mind, it's in the heart. This mantra opens the Anahata Chakra, heart energy center, allowing compassion, surrender, and divine love to flow naturally. It awakens inner witnessing. As you go deeper in chanting, a subtle shift happens. You stop identifying with thoughts and emotions. You become the witness, the one who observes without getting entangled. This is the true beginning of awakening. It connects you to the universal source. Ariyanam isn't just a name, it's a call to the divine origin. The more you chant, the more your inner being aligns with that source. It's like remembering something ancient, eternal, and already within you. To practice for spiritual awakening, sit still, spine straight, eyes closed. Begin with 5 minutes of silence, then slowly chant Ariyanam, feeling each vibration. Focus not on volume, but on presence. Let the mantra breathe. You allow emotions, visions, or stillness to rise, just watch. Do it daily. The flower of awakening opens with regular light. Ariyanam mantra and energy alignment. It's not just sound, it's energy. Energy alignment, root chakra Muladhara grounding. Ariyanam ke deep tones feel. Sacral chakra Swadhisthana, emotions and flow. Solar plexus, Manipura, confidence and willpower. Heart chakra Anahata, love and peace. Throat chakra Vishuddha expression. Third eye chakra Ajna, clarity and intuition. Crown chakra Sahasrar divine connection.